Looking for the best DIY pest control products to use in and outside your house? There is a wide range of do-it-yourself pest control products available that are effective and easy to use. In this guide, we'll explore some of the best DIY pest control products for common household pests. Insecticides in spray or aerosol form are versatile and can target a variety of pests including ants, roaches, spiders, and flies. Look for products containing pyrethroids or pyrethrins, natural compounds derived from chrysanthemum flowers, which are effective against many insects. Always read and follow the instructions carefully, and ensure proper ventilation when using aerosols indoors. Traps are a humane and effective way to capture pests like mice, rats, and insects without using chemicals. Snap traps, glue traps, and electronic traps are available for different types of pests. Place traps in areas where pests are known to frequent, such as along walls, near entry points, or in dark corners. Baits are an effective way to control pests like ants, roaches, and rodents by attracting them to a poison-laced food source. Ant baits typically contain boric acid or borax, which is relatively safe for humans and pets but lethal to ants. For rodents, use bait stations to prevent accidental poisoning of non-target animals. Diatomaceous Earth or DE is a natural, abrasive powder made from fossilized diatoms that can be used to control a variety of crawling insects. When insects come into contact with DE, it absorbs the oils and fats from their exoskeletons, leading to dehydration and death. Apply DE around entry points, along baseboards, and in other areas where pests are active. Certain essential oils, such as peppermint, tea tree, and lavender, have insect-repelling properties and can be used to deter pests. Mix a few drops of essential oil with water and spray around doors, windows, and other entry points to create a barrier against insects. Essential oil-based repellents are safe for use around children and pets but may need to be reapplied frequently. Ultrasonic repellers emit high-frequency sound waves that are unpleasant to pests like rodents, spiders, and insects, driving them away from your home. These devices are non-toxic and safe for use around humans and pets, but effectiveness may vary depending on the pest species and environmental factors. Place ultrasonic repellers in areas where pests are active, but keep in mind that they may not penetrate walls or furniture effectively. Taking proactive measures to control pests in your home can help prevent infestations and minimize the need for costly professional pest control services. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.